My name is Riley Wallace. I'm the Careers Service Manager at Martin Higher Education. The professional industry engagement subject is where the students go out on placement for a compulsory 120-hour placement within industry. It's studied in their final trimester, so it actually brings all the learning they've had as part of their studies up to that point, and they actually put it into practice as part of their placement. The main aim of the industry placement subject is to assist our students become work ready and enhance their employability for when they graduate. So what we do with our students, we try to connect with them to find out what their career goals are. And once we know what their career goals are, we try and then identify some companies that they'd actually align with, that they'd like to work with in the future. Once we know what those companies are, then we actually work collaboratively with the student to actually place a student in one of those organisations. While out on placement, it's important that students actually are able to put the theory that they've learnt from their studies into practice. But also while they're out there, they're actually reflecting on their own skills and they can see what they really enjoy as part of their career, but also they can identify some of the gaps that their skills currently have and then what steps they need to put in place to develop those skills so they are actually more employable when they graduate. When they're out on placement, the students are actually also analysing the company to find out whether this is a company they want to work for in the future and actually developing a checklist of what they do want in a company for future employment. Martin Higher Education really focuses on having our graduates work ready. To do that while they're studying, as part of the placement course, they work together with the Career Service and they're involved in actually calling the employers, having their resumes up to date, doing an interview. It is that collaborative partnership that we really encourage.